South West Healthcare is a major regional hospital with the base hospital based here in Warrnambool. This new facility we're standing in now, the Regional Logistics and Distribution Centre, feeds the entire region, so 13 hospitals across this region. So all the linen and the medical goods, etc., that feeds the base hospital and the region comes through this facility.
The requirements for the AutoStore was space. We have about 2,500 SKU lines which we physically keep here in the warehouse, and there's 1,507 SKUs loaded into the Dematic AutoStore. So with this system we've been able to increase our stock holdings by probably 25% due to the extra space that we've got both in and out of the AutoStore.
The AutoStore solution is a cubic-based solution where the bins are stacked in columns on top of each other on the floor using an aluminium frame on top to allow robots to dig down and select the bins and deliver those bins to ergonomic pick stations, so therefore the operator can fulfil orders efficiently. The laundry solution for South West Health had to grow, so therefore their storage facility had to reduce their footprint, and that's where the AutoStore really came into its own. High density storage and then reducing that footprint requirement.
Now with the AutoStore system we can hold up to 6 to 8 weeks worth of stock. So I've been able to increase our stock holdings by nearly $200,000, and that helps the purchasing team as well. Instead of ordering the same product once a week, they're now ordering it every 4 to 6 weeks. We have far less back orders now because we can just keep so much more stock on hand.
It's a change from quite a small warehouse feeding a big region to now a much bigger warehouse that can store more on it.
The other big benefit for South West Health was initial design had 2 different processes. It had a process for products that needed a pressurised sterile clean room, and it had also products that had a non-pressurised clean room. So with the AutoStore, by reducing that footprint, we were able to bring those 2 processes together and store both sets of SKUs in the one storage medium in the AutoStore.
Our ordering team up at the base hospital, they order via an impress scanner, so their orders will drop into our Oracle system at around 8:30 every morning and 10:30 every morning. Then those orders are released into the AutoStore at their scheduled time. So if they order at 8:30 in the morning, it'll be up there before lunchtime for putting away. For our regional healthcare facilities, they'll get basically next day delivery on our linen trucks with the linen as well. So yeah, it's a very short turnaround from an ordering process, which, you know, it's very, very efficient. In the old facility, a picking slip would print starting at bay A to B, C, and would just work your way around it, going by a manual picking slip. You can have errors in that way if you go to the wrong bay or pick the wrong item from the shelf. But with the AutoStore system, the correct product is coming to you, so it takes out the chance of picking the wrong item.
Dematic's ability to service regional Victoria was very impressive to us, and Dematic's willingness to engage in a 5-year maintenance contract showing that they were committed to servicing a regional location. The biggest sort of hurdle and challenge we had was the IT interface with Oracle, which was sort of like a project within the project. That had a lot of twists and turns, but we got through it, and yeah, I think I was kept up to date with Dematic to a point where I knew what was coming, how to take it on, and how to keep Shane and his team across it as well.
Dematic really works on a partnership approach. You know, to really work close with our customers to understand their needs and acknowledge their needs. We had a very good relationship, a really open partnership. So we would tell each other, you know, this may work, and potential risks within the project. And I think that trust really brought a close partnership and achieved the goals that we wanted to achieve through the project.
I'm really happy with the solution supplied by Dematic and Dematic's service and support throughout the construction phase of the project. We're now operational and have been since, I think it was the 5th of March, we took practical completion of the building.
And yeah, I'd recommend Dematic, yeah, straight away. It's a fantastic system, fantastic support, and just everyone to deal with was, yeah, very, very helpful.